Hi there, Carmela here from Carmela's Cucina class. You're listening to my YouTube channel and I've been writing poems about the street food of Sicily and I'm going to put them all into a book. Been doing them with my daughter Josie. I wanted to share this one with you and then you can just sort of like touch base with me and sort of let me know what you think of this poem. Let me know. I would love for you to just write a comment and let me know. If you find that it's good, then I'll keep going and doing all sorts of poems about the street food of Sicily. This one is about the Arancina. The crunch of an Arancina takes you to Carmela. The street food of my ancestors has become one of our many pleasures. So take a bite and all through the night, your taste buds will be in absolute delight. An ancient rice ball, served large or small, tender meat coated in rice, transcends you into a foodie paradise. Saffron sauce and mozzarella, you will do the tarantella. Ancient it is as our land that has become our Sicilian brand. Filled with ragu, we'll send you into an ooh. Chunks of meat that taste so sweet. Mozzarella, caciocavallo cheese, some even have peas. The locals all know where to go. To the markets of Palermo. Ask a local and they will take you to Vucceria, Ballarò and Capo. Invite your friends and family to enjoy the flavours of Sicily. The question we all ask, as you know, is a very big task. Arancino or Arancina? The call of our Regina. I hope you like that. I really enjoyed doing that with my daughter. Just let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just leave a comment, let me know. That way we can continue to grow. See you soon. Ciao, Carmela.